Hi, English 9. Well, we have finished our Unit 7, Romeo and Juliet, and I hope you all enjoyed the unit and Shakespeare's play. I know many of you were pretty hesitant when we first started, but hopefully as we read the play, you could learn to appreciate it and appreciate really the timeless themes that were present in Romeo and Juliet and how they're still really relevant to us. So now we are moving on to our last unit of the school year, not only the semester, but of the school year. So you can see the timeline for the rest of the year right there. Unit 8, we're going to be focusing on the genre, This I Believe Personal Essay. And we're going to be working on Session 1, which is due by the 26th. Also remember that due on the same day is your late work from Unit 7. So like it says right here, late work will be accepted for up to 85% credit until the 26th. So be sure that you submit any late work from Unit 7 because you can still get up to 85% credit, which is a lot more than 0, right? And as always, if you need any help, please contact me. We're getting to the end of the school year, and if you are struggling in class, please contact me. I'm happy to help and get you re-engaged and also finish off the year. So we are, like I mentioned in this unit, we're going to be looking at a very specific type of essay called the personal essay in a series known as This I Believe. So ultimately, you're going to be writing your own personal This I Believe essay and also presenting it orally. So you'll be either creating a video or an audio of your final personal essay that you write in this unit. So we have lots to do. In this session, we're really setting the stage of understanding what the personal essay is, what the TIB, which I'm going to be referring to it as throughout this unit, the personal essay, This I Believe, TIB. So you can see our list of assignments and the value of those assignments, as well as the suggested schedule for this week. Okay, so to start off the unit and start off the session, we are going to be talking about belief. And so before you choose to start thinking about your personal essay and before you start reading personal essays in this session, it's important for you to understand what that word means. And another way to help you understand what belief is to write about it. So in this journal, I'm asking you to write about some of your personal beliefs. And this is kind of a springboard for the entire unit and for also to start thinking about what your beliefs are and what you might want to write about yourself. Okay, remember to answer these 3 questions and use PIA to do so. Avoid one-sentence responses, okay? Then we're going to begin our genre exploration, and in this activity, what you're going to do on the next page, there's 4 excellent examples of TIB personal essays, and what your goal is to learn from each one something new about the genre and to begin thinking about the kind of personal essay you might like to complete in this unit. Okay, so as you watch, listen, or read the examples, you're going to be filling out this genre exploration activity on the bottom. I provided you a template, either a Word doc or a Google Doc. So as you are reading those, I want you to think about what a personal essay is. And I'm going to open the activity up right there, and then you can see that I'm going to be asking you, what's the subject of the essay? What is uncovered or exposed about the subject or belief in your essay? What makes the subject appealing or interesting to the intended audience? How does it fit into the genre of a personal essay? And then finally, what choices, what qualities does this piece have that you could imitate in your own work? Okay? And you can find all of those essays and videos right here in the This I Believe slide, okay? And then you're going to submit your genre exploration activity here. And then we're going to finish off this session with even more exploration of the personal essay. What you're going to do here is you're going to expand your knowledge just a little bit further and find your own example. I provided you with 4 excellent examples, and now you need to go find one yourself. So take a moment and you can search YouTube or TED, and also down here is a link that I also provided to several TIB essays. So what you need to do is choose one and share the essay link in the discussion board. Then in your post, answer these questions using PIA. And then finally, read at least 2 other students' TIB essays. So not only are you going to be reading and posting your favorite that you find, but you're also going to be reading at least 2 others from your peers in class. So by the time you are done with this session, you will have read at least 7 TIB essays, personal essays. So and then comment on at least 2 classmates' posts. Okay, so make sure all the material that you post is 100% school appropriate, as I'm sure it will be. If you have any questions about finding a TIB, just let me know. And then that's it for this session. We've just started the exploration of what a TIB personal essay is and what that genre is. And you have a pretty good idea by, again, reading and watching at least 7 of them in this session. So what we're going to be doing next week is we are going to be continuing our in-depth study and inquiry, and we're going to be creating our own definition of what this genre really is. So if you have any questions this week, please let me know. Have a great week.